Hi people, today I'm going to prepare egg pepper fry. I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to it. Now the oil is heated well, so I'm adding curry leaves to it, and I'm adding 1 onion. Let it get spattered. Now I'm adding salt to it. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. For this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Now I'm going to mix it well. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chicken masala. I'm going to mix it well. So for the gravy, I'm going to add half glass of water and mix it well. Let it get boiled nicely. For this I'm going to add cream because we'll get a nice texture and a creamy consistency. Let us fry it for 1 minute in a low flame. Now I'm going to add eggs. Now I'm going to mix it. Now our egg pepper fry is ready to serve.